How we doing, everybody? Right now we're getting ready to put our end bay liners on. So Levi's gonna climb up there, start getting his board where he wants it. You can go ahead and screw it whenever you're ready. I'll climb up there while you're doing that. See that line right there? That should be center of our truss. For me, that's right where I want it to be. So now Levi will climb up to his next one, do the exact same thing as we're going our way up. He's good, he's just gonna keep on rolling straight up. I'm gonna climb up here, this one's perfect. Get it right on our line. These trusses come pre-marked from our truss plant, so that's where we decide how we're going to put our line, or where exactly we're going to put our liners. Now this one, I gotta have to move a little bit. So since I got something stuck down there, I can pull this bracelet loose a little bit and move it around. Now it's stuck. Now we can get some guys going up to the peak. So he's a shorter little guy, so he had to move the nets in just a little bit to get that. But that's okay. I'll hand that end to Levi over there. I'll move this. Again, there's that line right there. You want that center of the truss. Then you also want this line right here above this board. And just like that, peak can't move no more. So now, he handed me the other board and we'll do the exact same thing on this other side. Perfect. Now this truss is stuck and won't move anywhere. Now this building doesn't have any end overhang. So you want the edge of this board nice and flush right here, which is what I moved it to. So we want to do that exact same thing all the way up the truss. So that's how you do that. Thanks for riding along with me.